correlated subquery. Now let's understand how correlated subquery works with this problem statement. So we have to list out records of those customers who have most balance in each country, something like this. Here you can see these are customers who belong to country India, and customer Daniel has max balance, that is 50. Among all the customers who belong to country India, therefore we have selected customer Daniel because Daniel have maximum balance among all the customers who belong to country India. Similarly, customer Anthony have maximum balance 30 among all the customers who belong to country USA. Therefore, customer Anthony is listed out in the output. Now this is the query which is called correlated subquery, which can be used to solve given problem statement. Now when this select statement runs first time, the B1 country will be replaced with India like this. Now where clause of correlated subquery will run and the records containing country India will get selected like this. Now the max statement of query will run and the maximum balance among all the balance, that is 50, will be returned. Now this where clause will run and the record having balance 50 and country India will be returned from outer query. Now when the outer query runs second time, the B1 country will be replaced with USA like this. When this where clause runs, the record having country USA will be selected. And when this max will run, the maximum balance among the selected records, that is 30, will be returned. Now finally, when this where clause will run, the record having balance 30 and country USA will be returned from the outer query. So this is what correlated subquery is, and this is how it works.